Doing something like what?
Good. Don't tap it.
What are you making?
Making carp.
Making what?
Making carp.
Making carp? Cookies you're making. What kind of cookies are you making? No, don't eat that. What kind of cookies are you making?
All right, I'm not sure where I'm going, but I'm taking a week off and we're doing various things. I got to go help set up the hunting camp, and then I'm got to spend time at the lake with the family, and then I'm just packing some meals ready to go in case I decide to go hiking. I think I'm gonna go hiking for 3 or 4 days. So right now I'm packing my gear and I'm making some meals, and I'm bringing my backpack with me up north for the family reunion, and then I might leave the family and go hiking for 3, 4 days on my own. So, but I just wanted to. So I prepared my individual meals for the 3 days, and I just want to weigh them each to see what I'm. I always estimate that I'm taking about 2 pounds per day, but I want to confirm that. Okay, so let's zero the scale. All right, first breakfast. 150 grams. I'm just going to write that down real quick. Second breakfast, 161. Third breakfast, 200. What's the difference between the third breakfast? I had one of these soft, chewy granola bars instead of a dry one. So, okay. Lunches are pretty straightforward. Very light, 133. So that's Ichiban noodle and a granola bar. This one will be about the same. 133 exactly. And then the third one will be very heavy because that's a Kraft dinner or a Kraft macaroni and cheese and a heavy granola bar, so 278. And the dinner portion, so this one is a Leonardo Alpine Air meal, 261. With hot chocolate, coffee, granola bar, tea. Another Alpine Air, 249. And the heavier one, it's quinoa rice with some tuna. That's going to be a little bit heavier, 344. Stop. And a big bag of trail mix at 500 grams. All right, so I did the math and I was pretty close. So the breakfasts are pretty light. The breakfasts add up to about 170 grams a day. The lunches average 180 grams per day, and the dinners average 285 grams per day, and then 167 grams per day of trail mix. So overall, for 3 days, I'm bringing 2,409 grams, which is 803 grams per day, which is 1.75 pounds. So it's under 2 pounds, so 1.75 pounds. And I'm guessing it's less than 2,000 calories. I'll do that on separate calculations.